Hey guys, what's up? This is lesson 2 in JavaScript tutorial, and today we are going to talk about variables. And so what's variable? Variable means anything that can vary. And in JavaScript, a variable stores a data value that can be changed later on. And I can say that variable is an important thing in programming world, and we use variable no codes, and without it, our program can't work, just crashes. And so I want to say that it's very important thing. So to create a variable, we use reserved keyword var. It's like this, just like it, and var. This is a reserved keyword, and after writing it, we are writing our variable's name. So I'm just saying, for example, my name, and we're defining a value thing. To define, we use equal operator. I'm just saying equal. And I'm defining a value. I'm saying ML because my name is ML, and that's it. We just created a variable. So what we say? We said we are writing the reserved keyword var. Then we are writing our variable's name. And then we are defining a value thing. So just print to a variable to the console. We use console.log. We just use it. And so just write it console.log. And don't write this like this, just quotes. And if you write it like this, it will only print my name. My name will print my name, not email. So and this is comment. Don't worry about it. We are going to talk about later on. It's very easy concept, so just don't mention it. And so we say that we can't write as a variable name like this because we want to print the value with the ML to console. So to writing this, we are saying my name, and see what happens. Just open your browser because we need a console. Just find your file. My file is in the desktop, so I'm opening desktop, and then I'm finding my folder, and here we go. It's JavaScript. Just click index.html, and they have nothing, so just inspect it. And they have HTML codes, don't mention it. So see what's happening in our console. Just click this console and see. It says email. And if I just write it with quotes, yeah, it will only print my name, not email. So just write it without quotes. So my name will print email. So let's go and create another one. Let's create my age. So var my age. And I'm saying my age 15. My age is 15. I'm saying 15. So to print it, we are using console.log and my age. So just write it and just run it. And Emil and 15. Here we go. And also they have a concatenation of a string. For example, I'm just deleting this and this. I'm just creating another one. I'm creating the first name and var last name. And I'm saying Abbasov. For example, we want to just to get the result like this. Emil and Abbasov. Like this, not like this. And let's say that Emil and Abbas. We want to get it like this. So for this, we are using concatenation. So to concatenate a string, we use console.log because we are going to print it on our console. So just write first name and plus and last name. Then just run it and see what happens. Emil Abbasov, it prints it. And they have no space, so just add this here and say what we are saying in here. We are saying our first name that defines the email, this is the value. Then we are saying add a space here, so we are using plus operator. And then we are saying that as this value, my last name, adds my last name to the first name and just print it on the screen. So we're adding space here and adding our last name here, and then we are printing it to here, and it will say adds a space. And they have another way to do it. It's very easy way. So we're saying console.log, first name and last name. We're just adding here a comma and adding here a semicolon. Don't forget to put semicolon because it's important, you know, in JavaScript programming. In programming Java. And it will give the same result as we expected. So, and with comma, you don't need to add this plus operator or all of this stuff. You're just adding comma and saying your variable's name, and it just concatenates it and adds a space without any plus operator. So it's very easiest way, but I'm using this way a lot more. I'm not using this, and I don't know why. That's it. That's how we use variable, how we create a variable. I hope you enjoyed it. So see you in the next video. Bye.